Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Quick Review and Unboxing. Today I will talk about the 1:72 scale JA37 Jaktviggen from Heller. The history of this kit reached to the year 1977 when it was released for the first time. Throughout the decades, this kit was upgraded for several times for another versions of the Viggen. So let's see what's inside. This kit includes one sprue of a clear plastic, 3 sprues out of a grey plastic, an instruction manual and word slide decals. It's an old model and the price is very low. At the time of purchase, there were no other Viggen kits available in my country. Other brands like Matchbox or Airfix produced the JA37, but they are already discontinued. There were also brands like Tarangus or Special Hobby, but I was unlucky, so I have to wait for another release. Let's talk about the moldings. On the first look, you can see it's an old school mold. Panel lines are in positive engraving, they must be recut into a negative engraving. But I'm a little bit worried because the plastic is very soft, it will be a problem. Parts of the cockpit are basic, there are no visible details. The ejection seat is also very basic, it needs to be upgraded. The best solution is to add some scratch build or buy some extra cockpit from resin. The landing gear legs are also very basic, so more scratch build here. The third plastic sprue includes part of the instrument panel, landing gear wheels, big 30mm cannon pod, 2 hardpoints, 4 AIM-9L Sidewinder missiles, speed brakes, a center fuel tank and a jet nozzle. The jet nozzle has also no details, so more work on this model. The clear parts look quite decent, but some parts are missing. For example, it could have a head-up display, landing gear lights or navigation lights. The instruction manual is easy to read. On the first page is a color manual for Humbrol paints. The manual is simple and straightforward. For each work step there is a procedure shown for painting each part, but I have my own procedures. I expect no mistakes here. The kit includes only one camouflage scheme. It represents the Swedish Air Force machine from the 1st Fighter Division placed in Runep Air Force Base from the year 1992. The waterslide decals look good. I will be honest with you, I can't remember if they are good quality, because I built my last Heller model like 20 years ago. Hope for the best, they are okay. I will soon find it out. Okay, that's enough for this quick review. In my opinion, this kit is below average. It's a new if you decide to buy it. I like a good challenge, and with a ton of patience and work, this kit is worth a try. As the old Slovak saying goes, 100 people, 100 tastes. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.